Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set any song as alarm sound on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to set any song on your alarm sound, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to tap on your clock widget to open alarm settings. So just tap on it and then this pop-up will be shown. Here's the alarm, just select it. And here you can see there are two alarms. You can add much more, but you can customize one of them. Just select anyone, and here you just have to select time, etc. And then here's the option of alarm sound. Just select it, tap on it, and here you have to select one of the list of alarm sounds. But if you want to set your custom, so just select on add new, and it will open in your files app. Here you just have to select the song which you want to set as your alarm, as I'm going to select this one. So just tap on it, and here you can see that it has been set as my alarm ringtone. So that's how you can set any song as alarm sound on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.